Don't know. Big up on yourself. Can take the message or you can reject the message. That's how you go.
You are my brother.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Now I said this time and time again that Mr. Vegas is a man when not put him out a ground and talk if him have something to say. If there is something to be addressed, Mr. Vegas is one of the man them we know say I go speak out against it and address it. And him not care about the people them when not like him. Him not care about the people them when not like what him a go say, and him definitely not care about the people them who feel like say him not supposed to have something to say about it. Now, as it relates to the whole Vybz Kartel and Lizard situation, there has been some people who have said, yo, Lizard for this and Lizard for that because him used to do this and him used to do that. I personally have heard persons say it, and I have read many comments where persons are saying, yo, that man used to live that kind of life, that man used to do things too, so that means him deserve what him get. Now, Mr. Vegas came across, people who I let out them thing there in the ear, and Mr. Vegas felt like, yeah, me I go address this, right? So, in this video, Mr. Vegas is speaking out, right? And he might give some advice to the young youth them out there who may be going astray or also be led astray, right? So what we are going to do right now, we are going to take a chance at listening to some of the things that's being said in this video and hope that it reach somebody who can take away something from it. Alright, but before we even get to Mr. Vegas, if this is your very first time to this channel and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and the notification bell, so once we upload a video, you will get alerted. Make we hear what Mr. Vegas have to say, alright?
Blessed Lord, people don't know this is Subi. Now watch and have a thing in the truth. The truth alone shall set us free. And I deal with righteousness, so I can't compromise people. And more of the eye them take this with a positive spin. You see, when it comes down to the Vybz Kartel case, and the people them will put forward certain rhetoric, we find them disappointing and disheartening. Now, when I wanna go say, I know nothing if Lizard get killed because him did nobody. I know nothing if him get killed because him did bad man. Him did murderer, him did killer, him did this, him did that. I find them talk they're very disappointing people. Because here we go on now. You see, when you hold certain status in a life, when you reach a certain status in a life and troubled youth come around you, you have a responsibility to try curve them in a positive way. You have a responsibility to say, my youth, I don't want you to bust no gun, you know. I don't want you to bust no gun, I want you to go back to school. I want you to start a little business. I'm not supposed to recruit you if you come bust no gun for me or if you come kill nobody for me. Because first and foremost, if me used to live in the ghetto and me bust and become a superstar, me not supposed to worry say, yo, me need some little ghetto youth to come protect me. Me get security and pay them and buy a house up on the hill if me afraid to stay in the ghetto. If me not trust me people, then me buy a house up on the hill. I buy a house in a gated community because me have money can do that now. So that means anytime you check me, I must have work me I give you. I must have work me I go set you up with. Something where you can go back and feed your mother and feed your family and feed your youth them if you have youth. Me not supposed to recruit no youth for further them badness, for enhance them badness. I mean, I love the same thing if my youth step out of line and him go around a dan or go around anybody who have certain status. Me that want to know say, yo, you send back my youth on the right track. Because I have sons too. So if your son come my way, me I go say, my youth, what you do? You know how hard your father have to work. You know how hard your mother have to work. What you do? Them gun something they don't make no sense, youth. A dead you go dead or go to prison. Me don't understand how people can extenuate whatever happened. Seeing with the man that did murderer, or the man that did killer, or the man that never nobody. That's how we reach as black people. And then if a man say anything against what you know say, you don't want to tell people about them mother, you don't want to tell people say them for dead, you don't want to tell people say them bad mind and all of them things there. So if you're a youth step out of line, you would love me now as Vegas now start dealing with badness now and put a gun in him hand. Or enhancing badness. The police kill him or me kill him. You see, we as a people, we're not thinking of them, we want the government to fight crime. We have to say, yo, the government now do nothing for crime and violence. So we blame the government every day we get up because Andrew Holness say nah, do nothing about the crime. But we as a people, we depend on internet and so we want 2 likes. We are going to talk about say, yo, because a man was a killer, the man for dead. This now have nothing to do with Vybz Kartel, you know, because this is not just a exclusive situation, you know, people. We need to do better as a people. You can love a man from far, you know. But you have to think about the bigger picture. You have to think about society, the society where you live in, the society where you want to be able to walk down the street without anyone terrorizing you. So what kind of precedent do not set? You know, there's some irresponsible talk they will not talk because they're emotional. We don't wish prisoner nothing for no man, you know. But at the same time, we have to think about the society where we live in, and when we say these things, what we are tell the next youth say, what we are tell the next artist, what we are tell the next person with old status, what we are tell them say. So we are going to defend them if something like this should happen again. No, you're not supposed to deal with badness and come around. We have certain talk, we will have certain status, we will have certain influence, and we enhance them badness. Whether I say it, because we know say them thing they go on. We know say them thing they go on. Man see little youth are bad and take them and recruit them, boy. Yo, know I got this the man there for me. Little youths, let me tell you something you know get the youths. Don't make nobody trick on you, you know. Don't make nobody trick on you, you know. Think about your mother. Think about your children them. And don't make the man we have them money come tell them about say got this no man for them, you know. Make them got this man themselves.
Now I'm 100% sure. Say, after watching this video and listening to what Mr. Vegas had to say, some people are going to go in the comment section of this very same video and them are going to tell Mr. Vegas figure this him mother and figure that him mother and we him for this and him for that. Even though Mr. Vegas even addressed that in this very same video, you know. But because of just the mentality of some people, them not go really listen and get the message what Mr. Vegas are trying to send in that video, yeah. Right? But, my brother, before you go down and type and tell Mr. Vegas figure this in mother and figure that in mother, how about you just listen to what Mr. Vegas say, take something from it, and say, you know, say a true Vegas attack, why must say actually make sense, and maybe we can learn something from what the brother say. Because when you think about it, it is actually true. There's a lot of youths out there who are led astray by people who have them money and use it to influence youths who are easily influenced. It is the truth. You understand? So what Mr. Vegas has said, I personally agree with him. And if you don't agree with him, I want to talk to me down in the comment section right below. Right? Think about your youths, as Mr. Vegas said. Think about your future. Think about your family members who this aga affect when you go around certain people and start to, try to portray this bad man image, and it only ends one of 2 ways. Graveyard or behind prison cells. You understand? It's the facts. Talk to me how some people. Now a lot of we don't like how Mr. Vegas talk. It is the truth. Some of you just don't like how Vegas talk sometimes. But could it also be a case that some people just don't like to hear when people tell the truth? Think about it. Watch out, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. And as I tell you in the beginning, if this is your very first time to this channel and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button now and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get alerted. Talk to me down in the comment section. Once your comment makes sense, I will definitely respond. Well, if it don't make no sense, then just know say, I'm going to ignore it. Alright? Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.